guys, I'm here at the Pacific. She says hello. And I'm about to open up a new workshop and class on how to teach online classes, because I have been supporting myself with this along with workshops and retreats and the occasional jewelry, but mostly by teaching online classes for a couple years now. So I also used to be a college professor, and before that I was a teacher of all ages from 6 months up to 18 years. And so breaking down curriculum and stuff is something that now comes natural to me, and I've realized I need to just tell you guys how to do it, because everyone's an expert in something, and you can make a useful online course that not only offers you passive income after you do it, which is nice, but that also adds something useful to the world, adds something worthwhile. And the course will help, like the workshop at least, will help you decide exactly what your subject is, exactly what you are enough an expert in to be confident with how to teach it. I believe that there is definitely something. Everyone has something. So there's going to be a 2-hour workshop. I'll put the date below the video once it's done. And then after the live workshop, you'll get the recorded one. So the workshop will teach you all the steps on how to do it. And then there's also going to be an online class, which you can only take if you've taken the workshop, because the online class is going to tell you how to kind of time out each step and do it with you and that kind of thing. So that's what's up. And something to remember is, you know, if people get one of your courses, not only are they getting the info that you're offering, and again, we will find something that you do feel like an honest expert in, because it's one of my pet peeves when people teach something they don't understand yet, and everyone understands stuff. So the idea is to find what you love, what you're naturally good at, what you studied for a while, even if it's just casual studying, because if you can save people a lot of time, and if you can give them information that you have worked at over 6 months, a year, a couple years, whatever, just in your private life, got a good understanding of, you can make a useful course that will benefit people, that will let them save time and save energy, but also they're wanting to work with you specifically. And so it's good to be proud of the fact that you're an individual, and also to use the type of medium that you can feel freest in and connect in. So mine is video, because I'm just comfortable talking to you guys this way, and I feel like it transmits more for me than just audio or words would. So anyways, etc., etc. But that's what's going on. I just today got the download that I should do a workshop and then a 2-week incentive. I've been working on this idea for a while now, but I think I just got it. So when I post this, I will also put up the registration info. And like I said, if you get it before it goes live, then you can be in the live course. But if you get it after it goes live, you'll get the download of the workshop. So send you guys love. And I hope everything's beautiful in your world. And have a beautiful day or night or whatever time it is for you. Bye.